Good evening, sir. This side Gyan from Kara Medicals New Delhi, and this one is a morculator with the digital morculator, which is have 1200 RPM with the reverse and the forward. Okay, and this one is all standard accessories. Like first one is a foot switch with forward and reverse, and this one is a power cord, one handpiece with cable, one tenaculum, and one extra blade. Okay, and so we are just going to connect how to operate the morculator machine. So first of all, we just connect the foot switch. So there is a 12 sign clock. There is a little minor cut. So we just on sign of the 12 o'clock and just gently we will just push it. Okay, and then we have just screw. Okay, then is perfect. So next one is we will connect this one of the hand piece. We have this one is the hand piece. Okay, so we just gonna be connect in this instrument. Okay, that is the perfect. Okay, and now we supply the power with the power extension board we have right now. So we start from here. Okay, there is the speed and there is the direction. Direction means that means the forward. Yeah, we are using a forward or reverse. There are the indication here, and there is the speed. Okay. Okay, so we just start. So we have the hand piece and this one is a foot switch. Okay, if I'm going to the start, then just press this one machine. Okay, if I'm pressing the one is power on should be, and 0 is the off. Okay, so I'm just start the machine. The speed limit is at 200, so we will just increase 300, 400, 500, 600, 8, 900 and 1000. Okay, and that is the speed limit. So we will just start this machine. Okay, if I'm using the forward, so there is the little bit sound which is rotate the forward. Okay, and if I'm going to with the reverse, okay, this one is revolving the reverse side and the mention here the reverse. Okay, if I'm going to press the reverse, okay, so there is the little bit swing in the blade. Okay, I'm going to be press the forward, then it's moving and sound like this one. Okay, and there is the mention in the forward direction. Okay, if I'm using the reverse, then the reverse is revolving, but mention here the direction of the reverse. Okay, okay, that's it. Okay, if I'm going with the speed up to 400, 500, then it's depend on the doctors and the users. Okay, so that is the demonstrate of the morculator machine to how to use. And if I'm going to be the detach, so we should be detach first one the switch off this machine. Okay, and I'm going to detach this one hand piece. If I'm going to the clean purpose, for cleaning purpose, it should be open from here like this one. I'm just opening from here. This one is a motor, so please before clean, it should be outside. We also going to be the detach from here. Okay, so So there is my total machine is detached. Okay. Okay. After this detachable, we are just going to the clean, and then after the cleaning of after the clean, we just assemble all instrument. Okay, now that's okay. Thank you so much.